Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Bloxstrap Multi Roblox not working. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open an internet browser and search for Bloxstrap. After that, access the first GitHub website from the search results, and you will be redirected to the relevant web page. Here, scroll down a little bit and then download the software onto your PC. Once the download is complete, open it up and you will see a new window. Initially, you will be in the Integrations tab, so simply access the Bootstrapper tab from the left side menu and enable the first feature. Next, head to the Engine settings from the left side menu and change the frame rate limit to 240. Once done, open the Bloxstrap settings from the bottom of the screen and make sure that the automatic update feature is disabled. After adjusting all these settings, click on the Save button located at the bottom right corner and you will be good to go. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Bloxstrap Multi Roblox not working. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.